God, these are so good. Hey guys, welcome to or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Amy Lee. Super happy you joined me today. I am actually kind of excited about this video because I'm just gonna go over some of my favorite AIP and paleo, I guess, snack foods, but you know, really just these foods make my life a ton easier. They cut down on the prep time. So if you don't know about Autoimmune Protocol, I'm going to link a video right here so you can take a look, and I have a video on autoimmune conditions too if you're curious, if you have them, if you want to learn more about them. So first thing that makes my life a ton easier is this Arroy D coconut cream 33-ounce container. Usually if you buy the canned stuff in the grocery store, it can have thickeners in it like guar gum. Those can be irritating to the stomach, and since we're trying to completely heal the gut, this Arroy D is pretty awesome. And it's super cheap. I think I paid like $3 for it at the local AIP. Let's see, what else? This right here is Lily D's Keto Cauliflower Hummus. This stuff is so good. You can eat it once you have reintroduced seeds if you're on AIP. It's definitely keto, definitely paleo. Ingredients are just cauliflower, sesame tahini, olive oil, a little bit of coconut milk, garlic, onion, salt, citric acid, citrus fiber, nutritional yeast, dill, parsley, pepper, chives. It's super good. I love to eat it with cassava tortilla chips, which I don't have any of those right now. They don't sell them at the co-op, but they do sell them at Publix. So you can definitely get them in a mainstream grocery store. They are Siete brand, and these are Siete brand cassava flour tortillas. Also super clean cassava flour, water, coconut oil, apple cider vinegar, sea salt, and xanthan gum. I love these. I eat burgers on them, I make wraps, I pretend to have sandwiches. It's been a lifesaver. Definitely, I'm like somebody who's like always, I used to be not obsessed, I used to be really into sandwiches. They're probably my favorite food ever. So having these cassava flour tortillas definitely kind of fills that need. Another thing I totally love, grain-free cassava elbows. They're from Jovial. I will also link that down below, or Amazon link, but you might be able to get these at local health food store. Definitely not like I have not been able to find these at Publix or like a mainstream grocery store. These are just organic cassava flour and water, so you can eat pasta. I have been making, maybe I'll make a video like showing you how, but I have been making cashew macaroni and cheese, and it's so good. It really, like the cashew cream cheese that I've been making, which is not AIP, but I have reintroduced tree nuts and been super successful with that. So I've been making that cashew cheese and putting it on everything. I've been putting it on tacos, dipping chips in it, dipping veggies, putting it on my sandwiches as cheese. I put it on burgers the other night. It was really good. So maybe I'll do a video for that. Another thing absolutely obsessed with is this moringa hot chocolate. It has cacao in it, and that is a level 1 reintroduction. So if you are in the elimination phase of AIP, obviously you wouldn't want this, but it's so good. It's like, has a little bit of sweetness to it, it's a little chocolatey, has a really great texture, and it was like, I was drinking this all the time at Christmas, but I love having it in the house and being able to have something like a hot chocolate at night. Also, this is probably my favorite thing that I'm showing you right there, is the Siete grain-free taco shells. So, game changer, because tacos are way fast to cook, and it's really nice to be able to have like super easy dinner a couple nights a week or one night a week at least. Because if you are doing, because if you're doing AIP and you're doing paleo, I mean, basically you're cooking everything from scratch all the time. So it is a little bit more time consuming, obviously, because you're not just taking something out of package and heating it up in the microwave. You're kind of cooking a whole food meal for every meal. So being able to do tacos, it's awesome. Let's see, what's another thing I totally love? These are not really the best thing to eat if you're on AIP, but let's be honest, sometimes you need something sweet or else you're just not gonna make it. And if I can satisfy my sweet craving while still eating in a way that is working to heal me and bring me up to optimum health, then I'm going to jump on that bandwagon. So cocomel's coconut sugar caramels, these things are awesome. I highly recommend them. Obviously, okay, I'm not gonna lie, I'm definitely in the whole package in one sitting, but you kind of want to shy away from that if you're on AIPs. Kind of shooting to have 20 grams or less of sugar a day, but sometimes you just need it. I need one of these right now. And then lastly, the other thing I just want to show you is, these are paleo, not AIP. They are made with almond flour, but these Simple Milk crunchy almond cookies are super delicious, and they really like hit the spot when I'm like having a sweet or snacky craving, and nothing but cookies is gonna fill it. So for Christmas, I made a cashew cheesecake, and it was eggnog flavored, and I actually ground these up with some dates and used that as a crust, and it was super, super good. All right, so there you have it. Those are my AIP and paleo must-haves. I'm sure there's some more on the list, and I'm happy to do another video if you guys are interested in some of the things that I definitely have to have around the house. But some of my favorite snacky foods, obviously the coconut cream is something I use absolutely every single day. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. If you like my content and you found it helpful, please hit subscribe. It will really help me to reach other people who might be looking for some of this information as well. So have a great week, and I'll probably see you later on with another video. Take care.